Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Odyssey air conditioner. First, let's tackle the basics. A common culprit for poor cooling is a clogged cabin air filter, which you can easily replace. Next, listen for your AC compressor engaging. If it's not clicking on, that's a clear sign of trouble. Finally, we'll discuss checking your refrigerant levels, a crucial step for effective cooling. These initial checks can save you time and money. Moving on, if your AC still isn't blowing cold, consider common issues like low refrigerant. This usually points to a leak, which needs professional attention. Another frequent problem is a failing blower motor, causing weak or no airflow. Don't forget to check your fuses. A simple blown fuse can completely shut down your air conditioning. Addressing these can often restore your comfort quickly. For more persistent problems, we'll dive into advanced diagnostics. Start by testing the AC pressure switch. A malfunctioning switch can prevent the compressor from engaging. Next, visually inspect your condenser and evaporator coils for any obstructions or damage that might hinder performance. If you suspect a leak but can't find it, a UV dye kit can illuminate even the smallest refrigerant escapes, guiding your repair. Sometimes, the best solution is to call in the experts. Complex repairs, such as replacing the AC compressor or evaporator, demand specialized tools and expertise. Handling refrigerant also requires certification due to environmental regulations and safety concerns. Don't hesitate to seek professional help for these intricate jobs. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality repairs and products ensures lasting comfort and value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.